In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Google Calendar to Pipedrive CRM. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, your calendar events and your Pipedrive activities work together seamlessly. This makes it much easier to stay on top of calls, meetings, and follow-ups without jumping between different tools. First, open Pipedrive and look to the top corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your initials or profile picture. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you can manage your own settings and connected accounts. Inside Personal Preferences, find the section called Calendar Sync. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll see the option to connect a new calendar. Click Add New Account. This is what starts the connection process between Pipedrive and Google Calendar. A new window will open asking you to log in with your Google account. Enter your usual Google login details, just like you would when signing into Gmail or any other Google service. When Google shows you the permissions screen, review what Pipedrive is asking to access, and then click Allow. This gives Pipedrive permission to read and write events in your calendar, which is necessary for syncing to work. Next, you'll choose how your activities sync. Pipedrive lets you decide which activity types you want to connect, such as calls, meetings, or other tasks. You'll also be able to choose between two-way sync and one-way sync. Two-way sync means changes in Pipedrive update Google Calendar and changes in Google Calendar update Pipedrive. One-way sync means events only move in one direction. Pick the option that best fits how you work. Once you've made your selection, click Next. You'll then be asked about visibility. Here, you can choose whether your synced activities are visible to everyone on your team or only visible to you. Think about your privacy and your team's collaboration needs, then make your choice and click Next again. After that, define how external events from your Google Calendar should appear inside Pipedrive. For example, you can decide whether they should be treated as calls, meetings, or another activity type. This helps keep your Pipedrive timeline organized and easy to understand. When everything looks good, click Start Sync. Pipedrive will begin connecting to your Google Calendar and pulling in your events based on the settings you chose. Once it's done, your schedules will be aligned, making your daily planning much smoother.